Terry's not here, so I'm gonna make an attempt to play this thing. Terry, if you ever see this, I'll kill you.
It's insane.
Welcome to my world. Welcome to the corner I've painted myself into.
Oh man, that's great.
We'll get a picture of you behind it tomorrow and I'll send it to you.
It's just looking at that right there, like, oh shit, what I hit first?
You gotta remember, I added things one thing at a time, you know. I remember my brother made my first double tom holder out of a single tom holder. He just made some rod in a U shape, you know, with knurling.
Uh-huh.
And there was an L rod on my little Ludwig kit. So I put the U rod on there and I could put a 9x13 tom. And I added that. And all I had to do was buy that. So that's when it started.
Oh wait, you didn't play that one over there, man.
The wood one?
Yeah.
That actually sounds...
That's for the encore.
Oh, wait.
Where's the gun for the microphone?
Got this jingle stick, wood timber.
Oh, well, I gotta come around.
So I guess that's a D. You know, just
Man, it just sounds so amazing.
yeah. The tones of the I got the MIDI thing running through Reason with
It's MIDI up.
yeah. So it's just got the
It's got that extra little
a
lump.
little bit of the note I tune to, so that you know it just kind of comes through stronger. Get a little more of the melodic emphasis. So you know, like let's see here. Do this one. Shit, I can't remember.
That's great.
How about this one? This one here.
Man, yeah, that's freaking killing.
Spanish key.
Yeah,
Fun.
insane, dude. Really insane,
Yeah, I know. I had that.
but in a good way.
I know.